All right. It's my understanding that the jury has reached a verdict. Anything before we bring the jury in? Ms. Kappelman?
No, Your Honor.
For the defense?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Let's bring the jury in, please.
Okay, well, so.
Yeah, you can remain seated. Thank you.
Jury entering the courtroom.
All right, please be seated. Juror number 4, are you the foreperson?
Yes, sir.
And has the jury reached a verdict?
Yes, sir.
If you could please hand the verdict form to the bailiff. Thank you. All right, the verdict appears to be in proper form. I will now read the verdict. In the case of the state of Florida versus Katherine D. Magbanua, case number 2016 CF 3036 and 2018 CF 497, we, the jury, find as follows as to count 1. A, the defendant is guilty of first-degree murder. We, the jury, find as follows as to count 2. A, the defendant is guilty of conspiracy to commit first-degree murder. We, the jury, find as follows as to count 3. A, the defendant is guilty of solicitation to commit first-degree murder. And it is signed and dated by the foreperson. Does either party wish to have the jury polled?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to poll the jury, which means I'm going to go through each of you and ask if this is your true verdict and answer the court yes or no. I will use your numbers that I have for each of you, and so you answer yes or no to the question. And I start with juror number 1. Juror number 1, is this your true verdict? Juror number 2, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 3, is this your true verdict? Juror number 4, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 5, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 6, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 7, is this your true verdict? Juror number 8, is this your true verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 9, is this your true verdict? Juror number 10, is this your true verdict? Juror number 11, is this your true verdict? Juror number 12, is this your true verdict? Members of the jury, I want to thank you for your time and consideration of this difficult case. You have put in 2 long weeks of hard work. You have been punctual. You have been attentive, extremely attentive. You are a model for this community and a model for this judicial system, and I thank you very much for your service to both of those. I'm going to give you one final instruction, and that's in regards to your rights as a juror. No juror can ever be required to talk about the discussions that occurred in the jury room except by a court order. For many centuries, Our society has relied upon juries for consideration of difficult cases. We have recognized for hundreds of years that a jury's deliberations, discussions, and votes should remain their private affair as long as they wish it. Therefore, the law gives you a unique privilege not to speak about the jury's work. Although you are at liberty to speak with anyone about your deliberations, you are also at liberty to refuse to speak to anyone. It will be up to you to decide whether to preserve your privacy as a juror. I can see that you have left your notes in the jury room. As I noted before, they will be collected and destroyed. They won't be viewed by anyone, including the court. I'm going to ask that everyone please remain in the courtroom until after the jurors have been escorted out. Again, thank you very much for your time and consideration of this case and your service to the court and the community. And you are excused. The bailiff will escort you out. Thank you very much. The jury's out of the courtroom. The door is closed. Please be seated. We're still in session. Ms. Magbanua, you have been found guilty of the 3 counts. Count 1 of first-degree murder, count 2 of the conspiracy to commit first-degree murder, and count 3 of the solicitation to commit first-degree murder. We are going to set this for sentencing, and Ms. Magbanua is entitled to a pre-sentence investigation. Are you requesting that, Mr. DeCoste?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so she's entitled to that. That will take approximately a month, and lately it's been taking even a little bit longer. So we will have that pre-sentence investigation ordered, and I will have that before the court. So we're going to set sentencing off for approximately 30 days, and then we'll get it scheduled. My assistant will be in touch with both parties, and we'll set for sentencing at that time. All right, Ms. Kappelman, anything else for the court?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else from the defense?
No, Your Honor.
All right, we'll be in recess then until sentencing. Thank you.